Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted 60 aluminum pans. I'm super excited about these. These are loaf style. You get 30 of this large style and lids that snap on. You don't have to like kind of get the edges and make them keep the lid on. So that's really, really nice. You get 30 of the large and then you get 30 of the small. These are great because you can make things as a gift and then give them to people. I made some banana bread. I'm gonna pop it in the oven and then we'll take it out and see what it's like. And then you also get these stickers to use on your loaf pans. You get the large ones and the small ones. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven and then we'll come back and we will see how these work. This is the finished product. You have your loaf pan with your lid and the sticker. These are absolutely amazing. Check it out.